Let's learn what it's like to use MaintainX as a requester. As the name suggests, the primary capability of a requester is to submit requests. From the home page, we can generate a new request, suggest a priority, and associate it with an asset or location. Once the request has been submitted, it will appear in our request queue. An administrator of our MaintainX site will be required to approve or cancel the request. If the request is approved, it will be turned into a work order. As the requester, we can see the details of the work order, such as its status, priority, and due date, as well as any comments left by those completing the work order. We also retain visibility into all of our completed requests. Requesters can adjust their notification preferences via their account settings.